In today's video I want to show you guys what you can do if your War Thunder is not starting or opening. Okay, for the first time we go into the search bar here, we look for the task manager. And in the task manager we look for processes from War Thunder. That can be War Thunder as the game, that can be the anti-cheat from War Thunder, the launcher from War Thunder, something from War Thunder. And if you find something from War Thunder, you can right click on it and then you can end the task. Okay, yeah, and yeah, you can easily end the task, right click on it and then end this. Because sometimes processes from the game are running in the background and this causes that the real game is not starting. So this is the first step you can do, and after that we can go into the search bar and here we look for War Thunder. I do this now with OBS Studio for the example, but you type in War Thunder, here should be app, and then right click on it, and here you can run this program directly as an administrator, or we click on open file location, then this will pop up, right click on it again, show more options, properties, and then we click on compatibility, and here we can copy the settings to run this program in compatibility mode, disable the full screen optimization, and run this program as an administrator. Click on apply, click on OK, and after that you have to reset your PC that the settings will be saved. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, it would help me a lot. If not, write down in the comments, we will find the solution, and then see you next time.